So hello guys, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can fix your Instagram error when you try to log in. There is an error that shows invalid parameters. So how you are going to fix that? So we are going to on our Instagram. When if you are trying to give your email or username, you have to simply change your username to cell phone number, and if you are using your cell phone number here, then simply you have to give your email number. After that you have to go back to the main menu, and after that you have to open the setting. After opening setting, you have to scroll down, and here you have to search for the apps. Here we go. And now you have to search for the Instagram. Here we go, Instagram. And now scroll down and open the storage. Firstly you have to clear the cache of the Instagram. Now go back to your main menu, and here you get the option of permissions. Tap on that. You have to allow all these permissions here which are not allowed it here. If your problem is not solving yet, then simply open your Play Store and check that your Instagram is updated or not. There we go. You can see my Instagram is not updated, so you have to update your Instagram. Your problem will be automatically fixed. Thanks for watching.